Hi everyone, this is Asim and I'm here with the daily analysis. Before I start my daily analysis with economic calendar, I would ask those who have just joined our channel and those who have not yet subscribed our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the updates that we post on daily basis. Starting my analysis with the economic calendar, tradewithasim.com, and you click on economic calendar, you will see this economic calendar. As you can see, today is 27 February 2019. We have already got news from Australia. We are expecting Japanese news in some time. From Eurozone, we have got ECB speeches there. Mortgage approvals will be there from Germany. From Eurozone, there are a lot of news, so we will see in Euro USD a big volatility, and we expect that the news are going to be positive. This time from from Canada at 13:30 GMT, we are expecting a core CPI, so be ready for a really great volatility, as today is also Wednesday and it's weekly inventories at for the US oil. So you need to be ready as well for the Japanese industrial production is there, and retail sales are there from Japan as well. So we do expect a really big volatility in the market as fundamental news are a lot today, and we will see a huge number of volatility. So that's why you need to be careful while trading. So I wish you very good luck. Now I'll take you through our daily analysis. As you can see, day before yesterday I did speculated based on my experience that it will get rejected. It was supposed to get the rejection from this level, and it happened. Currently, I'm expecting and speculating that it will try to breach support 3, which is at 95.13 points. So those people who are also trading at dollar index, I'm expecting a bearish momentum, as currently its pivot has been formed at 96.12 and currently it's trading at 96.13. So I do expect that it will further drop. As you can see the arrow, it's going to, as we've got support 1, which is a very weak support, and support 2, which is also a very weak support. Support 3 is a major support here with us this time. As you can see, it got rejected on daily basis. It got rejected from this level, which is 95.13. Also the resistance we had was also a key resistance as well, from which it got rejected. So you can see that it is facing a big time rejection. So we need to wait for this time in order to fall, the dollar index to fall, and I am bearish on this time with the dollar index. Moving on to our daily analysis for the Euro USD. Currently it's at 4 hours, and you can see I have drawn a trend line. Also I have got a pivot which is also at 1.136. Currently yesterday it tried to break the support resistance 3, which is at 1.14, and it got rejection as well. As also if you check, the dollar index is falling since morning, is going high. So that's why we might face a little bit retracement, but it won't go below this point. It will get rejected from this point. I would expect that it will get rejected again at our resistance 1 at 1.137, and I'm expecting to form a bullish momentum further towards upward direction. As I will just take you to a daily chart, you will have a much more clear picture. On daily chart, we have also the same resistance at 1.40, and as you can see, the trend line is going, and I would expect that it will further go high, and my expectation is that it will try to attain at least this level, or the target for me in the long run, not on daily basis, is 1.1500. So I would expect a bullish momentum as the dollar index is falling, and we expect some good news from the Eurozone today as well. So be careful, buy on dips, and I would expect you that you can book a very nice profit. So it was a daily setup, and I would expect you to trade for 28 February as well on the same setups, as well, as I'm completely bullish for the next 2 days on the pair. Going on to GBPUSD, switching it to a 4 hours chart and then to a daily chart to give you a nice overview. As yesterday you saw a big time rise in the British pound. It was also that the dollar is falling, plus some good news that came from Britain, and we do expect that it will continue the bullish momentum as the dollar index is falling. It got rejected a couple of times from the trend line, and we do expect that it will go high. My highest level on the daily would be the highest level that on daily that it will achieve will be resistance 2, which will be 1.321. But for a long run and a strong support, that strong resistance which is at which has been formed at 1.327. In the long run, I would expect that it might achieve, as I can see that it might be rejected from this level as well, but that's the technical and that's the technical side. But in the fundamental side, we do expect that there is a rise, and we expect it to attain at least 1.327. So I'm bullish on the pair for the next 2 days as well, and I would ask you to buy on dips and also buy if it's above the pivot, which is at 1.311. If it breaches below this one, then I would expect you to sell, but it is not really likely to form a sell position. So overall, I'm bullish. Moving into the last forex pair on daily chart, as you can see today, it has been all not sideways, but it has got some small movements, and yesterday it has a very good movement towards upward direction, which was expected. Today it started with a negative with a gap. As you can see, it's just trading at 1.31736. And it's below the pivot, and I would expect a fall today in this one, as there is a big volatility today in the market for the USD Canadian dollar. There are two things. One is the fundamental news that will affect it. Plus, we are having the hike. I am expecting a hike in oil prices. So the hike in oil prices means that we will have a bearish momentum in the dollar, in the USD Canadian dollar. So be careful and sell on dip, sell when it's at the top, and close the position at the lowest one. So moving into our last pair, which is the gold, and gold is currently at a daily chart. As you can see on daily chart, we do expect that it will try and go above the pivot after the European market open in next 3 hours time. From my time is right now 9 a.m. So in next 3 hours time, we would expect that it will rise and it will break above the pivot, which is at 1.328, and I expect for me the target of gold is 1332 for today, and I'm bullish on it. So that's all with the daily analysis and daily setup. So I would just give you a summary. Euro USD is bullish for next 2 days, GBP USD bullish, USD Canadian dollar bearish, and gold is bullish as well, and the target for gold is 1332. That's all from me from Asim, and I wish you a really good trading day and hope you like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment on the comment section below this video. Thank you.